Turn it up.
Hey guys, welcome to my first video. Today I'll be unboxing this. It came from speedcube.com.au and there should be inside a Moyu Lingpo and a Dayan Megaminx, which I'm really excited about. So let's get straight into it. It took actually 2 business days to get to me because I am in Australia. This is a receipt. Yep. Check my address on it. So there you go. So a Moyu Lingpo and a Dayan Megaminx. So yes. Okay. Okay, there you go. So I'm most excited for the Megaminx, so I'm going to leave that to last. Here is the Lingpo, which I'm still very excited about. Okay, let's see. Well, that was actually very easy to open. The box, standard Moyu box, the new one without fillet. This is a pamphlet on all the designs into the actual cube. Okay. Well, first off, I like the sticker shades, and you can see them nicely. They look sick. Normal Moyu sticker shades always look great. First time. Whoa, okay. This cube is fast and has this nice feeling, this nice crunchy feeling. It is sort of actually the tensions that I like. You might think it's quite loose. Yeah, it's a bit loose. But yeah, I like, wow, it's so fast. Okay, so corner cutting, a bit less than 45. Alright, can do over 45. And verse is, the cubies are quite big, so anything really in that Florian mod will cut. Yes, I'm enjoying this. Okay, so I'm really excited about this Megaminx, mostly because I've never had a Megaminx, so this is a Dayan Megaminx 1. You can see it's stickless. Yeah, yeah, and yep, its typo is still there. Done, to dismantle cube by force. And yeah, okay. Ow. My Lingpo just fell. Okay, so it didn't come with the pamphlet, which, yeah, okay, and it came in a plastic bag. Okay, sticker shades look great. Okay, oh wow, okay, this is super stiff, and you can, wait, focus, hear that springy tingling sound. Okay, so super stiff, but I like the ridges. Dayan logo looks nice, but yeah, super stiff, and some areas needs a lot of lube actually. Yes, I'll lube this definitely and loosen it a lot. Oh man, it's super bad. on this side. Yeah, so this yellow side has a bit of spring noise. Not even a bit. This orange side. It feels nice. Sort of scratchy and dry, obviously, but yeah, and it does have that bumpy feel that a lot of cubers say it does have if you turn it slowly. But yeah, I think this is gonna be good Megaminx after a little bit. So it's blue here. It's not that dark in real life. It's my camera. It's a bit weird, but yeah. Let's see if there's any other colours that don't look like it in real life through the camera. The purple's a bit lighter in real life. Yeah, so that's a cool cube pigeon puzzle thing, and I will enjoy it. I'm sure. So yeah. Also, there will be reviews on these cubes coming out soon, as well as my Yuxin will get a review, Yuxin 4x4, and a YJ Yulong will also get a review. I don't have that on me right now, but yeah, a few reviews coming out, and stay tuned. And just as another note before I end the video, the quality from speedcube.com.au was amazing. Shipping was super fast, as I said, and none of the cubes actually had any grease on them. So yeah, see, none of these have anything on them. It's just a nice cube, and this, nothing on it. It's amazing. That's not what I was exactly expecting, but yeah. So yeah. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe. Feel free to subscribe and like the video if you enjoyed. And yeah, it really helps. Thanks. Bye.